Welcome back. This is Tech for Doctors and I'm Dr. Hemant Kumar. In my last video on how to make great presentations, one of the key points that I discussed was how to bring consistency in your presentations regarding fonts, font size, color and placement of text and graphics. Slide templates go a long way in bringing this uniformity, this consistency in our slides. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can make a great PowerPoint presentation using templates and how you can modify them according to your needs. So let's get started. To open a new presentation, go to PowerPoint, open the program, click on a blank presentation. Here, go to the view menu, click on slide master. Let me explain the contents of a slide master. On the left hand side, on the top is what is known as the parent template, and these are known as the child template, and these are the different types of layouts that you would use in a presentation. Now let's go over the elements of a slide. So if I click here on the master slide, you will see that there is a title, which is this area. There's a text, which is this area, date, slide number, and the footer. Then to give a little bit of color and styling to our presentation, let's go to the theme and choose a theme. Let's choose this particular theme. You could choose any of the following. Now let us start modifying each of the slides to our requirement. So one of the greatest utilities of a slide template is that if we insert a particular element on a slide, we don't need to then insert it on every subsequent slide. For example, if I wanted to insert my clinic, my company's logo, I can simply go to insert menu, pictures, and I can just choose the logo of my organization. I can resize the logo and then just place it in a place where it is not obstructing the rest of the presentation. I could keep it here, I could move it here. So this is how you would insert a logo. And as you can see on all the different types of layout, the logo is now inserted on the top right hand side of the slides. Now we can modify individual layouts in our presentation. So I will demonstrate to you one commonly used layout, which is the title and text format. Now as you can see, our logo is intruding onto the title area. So we can modify all the elements in a particular slide. So let me just modify the text area by dragging it towards top and left. I can reduce the height of the title area and I can just click and drag the text area to match it, and I can pull it down a little bit so that I get more area to work with. Let's say that I want to change the color of the font. So I'll go to the home menu, click on the font color, and let's say I want to choose blue color. And I want the font size to be a slightly bigger one, let's say 48 points. Similarly, I can click and highlight the first level of bullet and say I want a black color. And I want the font size to be 36 so that it's better visible. I click on the second level and I make it 24 points, and just to highlight the point, let's say we want it in this purple color. Now I have modified the title slide. Similarly, you can modify different types of layout that you will use in your presentation. So there would be the main title slide, there would be a slide in which there is a content for comparison in 2 columns, and there could be a slide with text and a graphic on the right side. After you have completed modifying the template to your liking, you can go to the slide master and close the master view. Now the slides are ready to be created. So this is the title slide. To insert a new slide, go to new slide and choose one of the layouts that you have modified. For example, we will click here. You will see the logo appears on the right. The title is in blue color. The first text is in black, and as I write the next bullet, you will see that the color would have changed as well. Similarly, you can modify all the elements in different slides. So you just keep going there, click new slide and choose a new layout and keep making your presentation. Making presentations using a slide template is a vast topic. Today was just the introduction. I will be doing a series of videos on this topic. If you have liked this, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.